This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 42 of building Optimus Prime, the Transformer leader of the Autobots. Missing pieces. See something from the films. A Rise and Fall from the comics. And Wheeljack from the Autobot. Can't really tell from there, but I'm sure it'll tell you if you care to read. Return of Convoy. Don't remember Convoy, but yeah, it's another thing that doesn't really look like anything much. But yeah, fair enough. It's not a tiny little thing, but it does the job. There we go. Right, so the left shoulder, we're continuing on what we had last time. We're going to add the arm joint to it, basically made up of 3 bits. Put it all together with lots of screws, and we're going to end up with a bit that looks like that. Good. Let's clear this out of the way. Let's get straight to it. All right, here we have the parts. We've got a big bar that's obviously going to do some supporting. But first of all, we've got this from last time. I pushed that bar in all the way last time, so that's all good. This is going on there like that. These aren't equidistant, so it'll only go on one way round. So we need 3 of these screws to hold that together. There's 2. Come on, you 3rd screw, out you come. There you go. Going to need my decent screwdriver for this. But it's not magnetic. Makes getting the first bit in somewhat tricky. Let's get them all started in there. And then come back in with a better screwdriver and get that done. That's that there. Electric is not powerful enough to get it through into the metal, but it is powerful enough to save me having to re-grip the screwdriver. I can just sort of turn backwards and forwards like a ratchet, using it like an electric ratchet screwdriver. There we go. That is so tight on there. That bit then goes on over the top. Again, it's got 3 screws to locate in place. Bit like that. Yep. Yeah, it's going on there. Let's just double check. Yeah, that goes on there like that. Not like that though. It's that way around. These have to go way around because that's how they match up. There you go. That is that way around. Using the sunken screws for that bit. The posts are where the last bit's going to attach. So let's get lots of these screws out because we're going to need 3 for this and 3 for the next bit. For this bit, hold that together. 1, 2, and 3. Get them in and then get them in properly. Go. So these bits are plastic, but they're quite substantial. And obviously lots of screws hold them all together, so I'm not too concerned that the weight of the arm is going to be too much for it. That goes on there. Then this bit goes through there from the inside. And that just pushes all the way through like that. Gives us that bit to screw onto on the end. And that will then go onto the top there like that. and 3 more screws. Come on. 1, 2, and the 3rd one. Top there, and again, get them all tightened up. So there we have our first shoulder joint basically built. Got some more stuff to do. Decorate it up and then indeed mount it to our torso, which is going to be quite interesting. Make sure that's nice and secure. There we go. That'll do it. And that's another issue completed. So I shall see you for part 3 of the shoulder next time. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye bye for now.